Hello again, it's Matt from Ontario Chrysler dealership in Mississauga, and today we're going to take the doors off of a 2020 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. We're going to use our handy toolkit that comes with the Gladiators. We're going to use the ratchet and the larger torque bit. The first thing we're going to do is undo the two torque screws in the doors. We're going to open up the doors and jump inside. Now that we're inside, we're going to switch over to our other bit that comes with the kit as well. We're going to remove this panel right here. It just clips in. We're going to use this harness, which is powering the door locks. We're going to slide up the little red tab. We're going to pull the white piece up. You notice it'll clip in at the end and it'll force the harness out of the bottom. We're going to pull up the safety strap. And we're going to use that other torque bit to remove this bolt right here. Once the bolt is removed, all we're going to do, use the new grip underneath the door handle, and the door is off. Now, Alexa's going to show us how to remove the rear door. Alright, Alexa's going to remove the rear doors. So first we're going to start off by taking these two bolts off. So Alexa, when you're ready. Perfect, now let's jump inside. Alright, so to remove the interior panels, we're going to first remove this piece right here. So Alexa, by all means. Now we're going to unclip the wiring harness that's in there. We're going to remove the safety strap off of the edge right there. So we're going to close the door just a tad, just enough to give us some slack. And lastly, we're going to remove this bolt. And to change this bolt, we have to swap over from the larger torque bit to the smaller torque bit again and unscrew. Now that that's off, Alexa's going to jump on this side of the vehicle. You're going to put your arm over top of and underneath. There's the new handle on here, the new Gladiators and Wranglers. And you're going to lift straight up. Even Alexa can do